I have not vlogged for the entire day. It is a Vlogmas day 21, of course, and it's actually 20 past 18 in night. Today what I spent doing was I was editing, and then I could not get to upload the videos or anything like that because my internet is just moving so slow. It just like really pisses me off. I did a little bit of cleaning out in my room, but outside cleaning, and I wasn't gonna carry the camera because there's a lot of water. And then I just like relax, chill, watch some movies, and I'm currently having some. Well, yeah, I cheated, guys. That was marshmallows. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys my secret. Yeah, let me tell you about. So I made hot chocolate, but I had to make it red because it's Christmas, of course, and then I'm having some biscuits. So that's what we're having. Good night. It is currently exactly 4 minutes to 11. Yeah, I know it's a little bit late, and I shouldn't be waking so late because don't really have anything. But what I'm doing right now is I'm editing, and then I'm actually watching like little clips from shows, like from my favorite shows. And then I found this new drama that I'm going to try to watch. Like, oh yeah, I just found a clip from it and I'm gonna try that. After editing this, I'm actually gonna probably just lie down in the bed and read, and then just knock out whenever I knock out. So I am going to end this vlog right here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. A super good morning to you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 21. Oh my gosh. So I did not tell you guys good morning yet, but I was already out for the day. It is now about 3 minutes past after 11, and I just went to get some last minute stuff, and then we're going to be back to the grocery to get some stuff, and that's it. I'll update you in a bit. So I'm home. It is 23 minutes past 12, and I just cooked for myself, having some orange juice, and I'm gonna like watch a show. After this, I'm gonna get some stuff edited and then finish helping mommy clean. I was helping her clean up a little bit. Guys, look what I just made. Doesn't this look amazing? It's a mac and cheese with shrimp in it, and then I have some orange juice on the side. But look at this. Doesn't this look good? Look at that shrimp. Look at that shrimp.
Be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my come by she, I come for the bone, girl. You know I love that to eat. So ready cassava and make